The Audi A8 is a full-size luxury sedan that represents the flagship model in Audi's lineup. It blends cutting-edge technology, refined design, and performance with a strong focus on comfort and innovation. The latest generation of the Audi A8 is built on the MLB Evo platform and features a lightweight aluminum construction that enhances handling and efficiency. It has a sleek, understated exterior design that reflects Audi's modern design language, including a large single-frame grille, HD matrix LED or optional digital matrix headlights, and OLED rear lighting with customizable light signatures. Under the hood, the Audi A8 offers a range of powertrains, depending on the market and trim level. These typically include a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6, badged 55 TFSI, producing around 335 horsepower, and a more powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, badged 60 TFSI, with up to 453 horsepower. There is also a plug-in hybrid variant, A8 60 TFSIe, that combines the V6 engine with an electric motor to provide over 440 horsepower and electric-only driving capability. All variants come with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. The A8L, long-wheelbase version, is available for increased rear passenger space and comfort. The cabin of the Audi A8 is luxurious and tech-focused, offering premium materials such as Valcona leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum or carbon fiber inlays. The interior features Audi's MMI touch response system, which includes dual touch screens, 10.1-inch upper and 8.6-inch lower, for infotainment, climate, and vehicle settings. The Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, is standard, and a premium Bang & Olufsen 3D advanced sound system is available. Rear passengers benefit from optional features like a full-length center console, massage seats, rear seat entertainment, and individual climate zones. Advanced driver assistance systems are plentiful in the A8, including adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance, night vision assistant, 360-degree cameras, remote parking pilot, and Audi's PreSense safety suite. Suspension technology is a standout feature, with options like adaptive air suspension and predictive active suspension, which uses cameras to scan the road ahead and adjust each wheel's damping to enhance comfort and control. The Audi A8 is designed to offer a smooth, quiet, and refined driving experience while still delivering respectable performance when needed. It competes with other flagship luxury sedans such as the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Lexus LS. Its blend of understated elegance, high-end technology, and engineering excellence make it a strong choice for buyers seeking a premium executive sedan. Subscribe my channel for more videos.